Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I want to show you how much package I still have left that I need to open. This is not everything, but I think it's most of it. So there's still a lot of, and then here too, a lot of unopened stuff from AliExpress that I've been collecting for the past year. So, for anyone who's asking links, I have no idea. I don't even remember what these are. So, finding them, I have over now I have over 5,000 orders. So going through them for each is not an easy task. I'm sorry. It is giveaway time, and giveaways are for my US subscribers. So please only enter if you live in America, because shipping right now is insane. Even shipping within America is about between $6 and $7 for the giveaway packages because they are heavier. And I know a lot of YouTubers don't talk about it, but as you can tell, my YouTube is monetized. How much did I make on YouTube a month? About $8. So one of this package, it's free to you, but me sending out one of this package is basically costing every penny that I make in a month on videos. So yeah, thank you for understanding. So if you're new to a channel, you've never entered a giveaway before, it's very simple. I'm gonna show you what you have for this giveaway, and then somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you a question, a very simple question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below, and the YouTube random picker will select one of the comments, and that's gonna be the winner. And then I will contact you to send me your shipping info, and then I'll send this to you. Also, this week we are doing not one but 2 giveaways, and this is the date. The winner will be announced. So the next giveaway is going to be in a separate video because I do have a lot of stuff and I need to get rid of them. Okay, so for this giveaway, these are the stuff you're going to receive. First, unicorns. I think this giveaway is going to be like a unicorns theme, because I also have a unicorn die, stamps and die, but also have some Christmas stuff because Christmas is coming along. And then a washi. I have a lot of washies that I think I'm never gonna use, so I'm gonna give them away. This one has diamonds in it. Cute. I just kind of like realized that I mainly like to do vintage journals, not girly journals. I have a lot of girly stuff, but I also have more random stuff that I don't need, like stickers, cute little dog stickers. If you do not need these, you can give it to kids, grandkids, nephews, nieces, or if you're a teacher, you can put them in the grade books for students, or just give them away. I simply don't need it, and I'd rather pass it on than throw it away. Okay, this is super cute. I believe the frame is separated from these two. And then we got more frames. Cute little design. I really like frames because you can put anything in it, even a washi. Coffee and yoga. I think she's doing yoga. Healthy lifestyle, but I think coffees are super cute. The lines are very thin and there's a lot of room to color. You know what you can also do? Another die. There are Facebook groups or forums for crafting, and they exchange dies and stamps and other supplies. So if you win this, and you do not need some of the items here, you can always exchange it with somebody. This one is the Christmassy. We got some sentiments and some cute bears, polar bears. All right, my question is, what's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? comment whatever you want. I just need a comment from you so the picker can pick somebody. Okay, these are, I have this in a package, and like, you know, those little boxes that have cards in it that's ready to send. I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna give you 3 from this package, and you can give it to someone. You can give it to coworkers. You can write in it or put a Polaroid picture in it, and that'll be cute. Yeah, it's just extra stuff I don't need. And then finally, this is a bigger stamp, so if you have, which ones? This is an average size stamp, so if you have packages that are designed for this, like storing packages, then you might have to cut the bigger one apart. That's what I do sometimes. This is amazing. The quality is so good. The lines are thin, but not extremely thin, and there's also a lot of room to color. So that was it for this giveaway. All right, remember, just comment what the weather is like today, and good luck. And there's also another giveaway. You can enter both.